Hey guys, I'm going to teach you some awesome blues riffs that are really cool to play, and they'll help you understand the blues scale even more. So the first blues riff I want to teach you is actually, you hear it all over like TV themes and stuff. It's this one. There's a sitcom called 30 Rock that has that as the main opening theme. But it also uses the coolest elements of the blues scale to great effect. So let's see what the notes are. We have a first little jump is just a A to a C, and then it crawls up, D, E flat, E natural. And then we kind of bop on the E note, ba, ba, and then we crawl back down. E flat, D, C, A. So that's a really popular little riff you can use in your soloing. And of course, because you know the formula of how the blues scale works, you can switch to different keys. So maybe you want to switch it, play it in the key of D. You can think of this as your minor third jump, then your whole tone, semitone, semitone. So now you can play it in any key that you want. So that's one riff that's really, really cool and iconic to use in your playing. Here's another one that uses the same notes but to a different order, and it sounds really cool too. It's this one. So let's see what this one works out to be. So it starts in D, and then it goes up to E flat. So that's the first little motion here. So D, E flat, D, C, D, C, A. And again, this is just using sort of the first bottom elements of the blues scale. So we can try that in our D minor position. Start on your 4 or your G in this case. G, A flat or your flat 5, down to F or your minor third, and then down to your one note. Okay, so those are two awesome riffs that use the same notes but in different orders, and they have kind of different feels. The next riff that I want to show you is actually going to be using some chords and this kind of harmony thing, and here's how it sounds. So again, it's kind of this funky, chill out blues thing. So let's see what I'm doing here. My first position is an A, an E, and a G. So, and just for kind of bluesy effect, I'm taking my finger 3 and just kind of scraping it against my E flat and landing on my E to kind of slur those notes. And notice how my thumb's kind of pivoting the motion of the chords. So I'm starting with this E, G thing, and then I'm popping down to A, and then I'm landing on D and F sharp. So this right here is, now this is C and E. So E minor, D, C, D, C. Okay, so that's 3 quick and easy little blues riffs that you can play in any key. They really show the power of the pentatonic scale and how versatile and diverse it really is, even though it's only got 5 notes plus that one bonus flat 5 blues note. So try it out at home, let me know how it goes, and check us out for more piano lessons and videos. We'll see you around.